Hi guys, welcome to our in-depth review of the Thunderbox 300 Lite by O2 Project Philippines. So this is a budget-friendly portable power station with a LiFePO4 battery and expansion capability, as you will see later in this video. The Thunderbox 300 Lite is a compact portable power station designed for people who need reliable backup power without spending on EcoFlow or Blue Yeti pricing. Based on the unit itself, it offers a 307.2 light watt hours. No, we have multiple AC outlets and DC outputs. For the key specifications, again, this is a LiFePO4 battery at 12.8 24 hours multiplied that, so you'll get a 307.2 watt hour. So ang special feature nito for me is the battery expansion capability, no? So what I like about the Thunderbox Lite, the strongest selling point for me for this one is the value for money compared to known brands like EcoFlow and Blue Yeti. This can be positioned as a more affordable alternative, possibly around 50% cheaper depending on the model and comparison per selling price. No? The battery expansion capability naman is also a major plus kasi maliit lang siya. Many budget power stations are limited to their built-in capacity, but the Thunderbox Lite 300 Lite gives some rooms to users to expand or upgrade. The unit also has a practical selection of AC outputs, as you can see. For brownouts and outdoor use, basic emergency power, napakaganda niyang gamitin. So sa performance expectation naman natin, again, it's a 307.2 watt hour capacity at 300 watts output. No? So pwede siyang phone charging, laptop charging, Wi-Fi router, LED lights, electric fan, camera batteries, rechargeable lights, small DC devices up to 300 watts again. Basic emergency, maganda siya during brownouts. However, it is not designed for heavy appliances. Try to avoid it using high wattage devices such as rice cooker, electric refrigerators, aircon, and prep. So, yung use case, ideal siya for home emergency backup during power interruption, student or remote workers needing router backup pag may mga brownout, mobile workstation. It can also be a solar-powered basic setup. Maganda rin siya sa budget-conscious users who want a power station without a premium pricing. For Philippine user, maganda siya kasi around nasa 7,000 lang ito nung binili.